Hey, what's up, traders? The FX Hunter. I decided I will be doing the videos again from the new year, but unfortunately, I'm in the lockdown all whole my country, and I cannot go outside to celebrate the end of the year. So why not to do the video right now? So we are now looking to the Aussie JPY, and it looks quite good for the reversal. Let's look why. So we have here on the monthly, the price is reaching into this high, where I would be expecting that there will be the liquidity of the sellers. As well on the weekly, we are reaching this weekly institutional level, and here is the second one, which is right now penetrated. On the daily chart, we are going into the daily institutional level. Here is as well the channel, which is in the level where is this high on the monthly, and on the 4 hours chart, I'm seeing that it's could reach up into this institutional level, and as well here is the channel for the more confluences. So it all looks nice, but we need to see what the banks are doing, right? So let's bring the COT data and compare these two instruments. So if we're looking to the Aussie, what we are seeing in here, we can see that the banks has been slightly growing their longs positions, but not that much as in the past. We are seeing that uh, that they not growing it at all. Instead, they slightly growth their shorts, as we can see in the net positions. The net positions growth into the negative, and we are in the negative territory for quite some time, while we are reaching into these levels on the monthly and the weekly. If we look to the Japanese yen, we can see that the banks has been growing the longs positions in here, but it was kind of like this process was repeating always. When they reach around 80% of the longs, they started to take the profit out. So what we are seeing in here is slight growth in the longs on the JPY, but they bring the shorts as well to compensate it a little bit. So the price probably not dropping yet. Overall, if we look at it, we can see that here the Japanese yen has 46k net long positions, and if we look to the Australian dollar, it's in the negative net positions, right? As well, we can see on the dollar, if you look to the commercials, they are actually slightly closing their longs positions, and they preparing the shorts, right? So they have the negative numbers as well. And if we look to the Aussie commercials, they are doing the hedging. So this all looks quite good. And let's check what we need to see in here, and what will be the confirmations for our trade. So if we look here on the 4 hours chart, it's still actually bullish. If we look to the 4 hours, which is here, so in this one, it's still bullish, and we still, I think, we will be reaching this top of this level. So there is, of course, the possibility to take a long. However, it's the last day of the year, and what could happen only. But when I might be thinking about the long is if the price drops down like this, maybe in the first week, and the COT data will be still looking good, then maybe the price could go higher. But definitely what I would be waiting for before I take any short is to take this high on the monthly out, and then I will start to look for the shorts on the smaller time frames after some rejections and the corrections. So this is, of course, the pre-plan. Doesn't mean that I will blindly set up the sell limit in here and wait what's gonna happen. So the many conditions has to happen, as the taking out these highs, reaching this level on the daily as well. And but anyway, I think this has a big chance that this happened, because as said, the banks are not so bullish on the Aussie. They are getting bullish on the yen, and there is a confluences of the levels, right? So I think this could happen very, very nicely. All right, my friends, bye bye.